Thanks, Kristen. 6:05 now. 17 News received a lot of calls from viewers about a mysterious bright light shining in the sky over Bakersfield for the second straight night. Take a look for yourself. Last night, that light was clearly visible in the southwestern sky. Observers thought it was too bright to be a star, too still to be an aircraft, and it also changed colors. So what was it?
When you look at it through your naked eye, you just see a bright light. But when you look at it through this scope, it pulled everything up. We could see everything. It split. It changed shapes. It was, I don't know what it was.
Amateur astronomer Darren Nunn says he watched the light as it suddenly darted off. A source at Meadows Field told 17 News no pilots have asked about it. So tell us what you think and check out the discussion going on our Facebook page. A lot of people commenting, but no one seems to have a good answer for it yet. Just in time for Halloween?
I know, and there's
Live, this is One for the Record. I'm Diane, and today is November 22nd, 2013. Here are your news updates for today. I had to work. Alrighty then. Let's go into the Extinction Protocol 2012 and beyond. Signs in the heavens. 2 comets racing towards Earth and Sun. Unprecedented. Also, what else they got going on here? Typhoon high-end death toll rises to 5,200 in Philippines. Also, wheel raking Chile's Chichen volcano shaken by earthquake. Swarm of 80 tremors. Also, Tauvu volcano, Rabul, PNG. Activity summary. Explosions and ash emissions. Also, that's Papua New Guinea. Also, radius expands around Mexico's Popocatépetl volcano after increased in emissions. Alrighty then. Moving on. The Watchers watching the world. Let's see if there's something different on here. Impulsive M1.1 flare erupted around Western Limb. 3 satellite swarm constellation launched to study Earth's magnetic field. Rare tropical cyclone Alicia about to impact Western Australia. Tropical cyclone Helen makes landfall in India. What else we got going on? Okay, nothing else on there. Good, it was all different. Alright, let's go into breakingnews.com. Numerous flight delays reported at San Diego International Airport due to weather coming out at NBC San Diego. 5 minutes and 56 seconds ago. $11 volunteers with polio vaccination program reportedly kidnapped from outskirts of Peshawar, Pakistan. Coming out AGEL Live. One hour ago. Incident at Los Angeles Airport, November 22nd, 2013. At the same time, an incident at Los Angeles Airport. Caller reported man with weapon in Terminal 4. No weapon found, officials say. And so they had the airport under lockdown. Also, somebody crashed and going around the terminal. They crashed into one of the terminals. And there was a security risk reported created when passengers self-evacuate. Los Angeles airport terminal leaves luggage unattended. I guess, oh wow. That's right, they had to leave. Coming out at CBS LA. Okay, 2 hours ago, no shots fired at Los Angeles airport. Loud traffic accident may have triggered fears of another shooting. Coming out of KTLA. Alright, that's enough of that. The ongoing saga of LAX. Alright. E&E News, Energy News, Japan, Fukushima. Nuclear engineer. New cover on Unit 4 can trap hydrogen gas during criticality in fuel pool. Blast would be close to a nuclear explosion from a particular standpoint. Also, today, a very alarming high number. Magazine, Fukushima released up to 100,000 times more cesium-137 in surface ocean waters than Chernobyl or nuclear weapons testing. Wow. Yesterday, nuclear engineer. Every expert I talked to this week is very concerned about a criticality event during fuel removal at Unit 4. There's good potential for a criticality. U.S. Canada. Sailors in Hawaii being asked to monitor Fukushima plumes. TV. New type of debris washing up on islands. Really looks different. It's more current driven. Study. Japan nuclear contamination moving same speed as current. Wow, I guess there's no drag going on. It's just floating on the surface and coming in. Also today, TEPCO advisor, wait until Alaska salmon is found with Fukushima contamination. It's only a matter of time. U.S. government report, radiation hotspots may occur. Radioactive contaminants could remain a valid concern for years. And when does radiation become an invalid concern? For years. Alrighty then. Here's a new one. I was listening to Coast to Coast. Let's go into that website, National UFO Reporting Center. Let's go in there for a second. Enter site. Okay, the National UFO Reporting Center. UFOreportingcenter.com. Let's see. Let's go to UFOcenter.com. I think that's what I put in. Okay. Click to see recent activity. Let's report database, databank. Let's see, let's go into the report. Okay, November. Okay, everything they have reported is not totally current. It's like from 11/20/2013. Carlsbad, New Mexico. Bright fireball object. Duration 30 seconds. This is all on the 20th. Brookhaven, Mississippi. Light, 1 hour. My employee and his wife witnessed 2 lights in the sky that lingered for most of an hour before disappearing. Livingston, Texas. Other, 30 minutes. We saw 3 objects in the sky. Kingston, Maryland. Fireball, 30 seconds. An orange fireball moved in the sky near Washington, D.C., turned direction, and burned out. Alrighty then. Let's see if we got a good one in here. That's alright. We'll do more. Now that we're up to the 20th, we'll see what happens. I guess it's 2-day lag on this. Alrighty. But there's like a lot of them. It just keeps going and going and going. Alrighty then. Let's get out of that one. So I'll read a couple from there. If I get any good videos I can show you, I'll do that too. Alright, take care. Be prepared for anything. We made it. It's 5 days down. We're going into the weekend. You have a wonderful weekend and be safe. Be prepared for anything. Alrighty then.
In San Antonio, well, there have been a couple of different sightings or alleged sightings on 2 different days this week. And Robert Price joins us live to explain what the witnesses think they saw and what the experts think. Robert?
Well, Randy, it was a night just like tonight, Sunday and Monday on the west side and near Leon Valley. Several neighbors reported seeing something strange up in the sky.
What's that? It looked weird.
Irene Trujillo watched in disbelief from her front yard near Castroville Road.
When I saw them, I was looking right here.
She grabbed her phone. Her neighbor grabbed his camera.
I was just like, oh my God, I was just snapping pictures.
Take a look. Bright lights hovering in the sky.
It wasn't a helicopter, it wasn't an airplane, it was just 3 lights.
A day later, miles away near Leon Valley, Sheila Terrell also noticed something strange.
Uh-oh, I got something going on here. I better capture this.
Bright, colorful lights streaking through the sky.
You see how it looked like it's moving though, too? That's the thing.
They weren't like going real fast.
And now it looks like a whole sky full of them.
Both women had the same reaction.
I thought it was a UFO.
That UFOs are communicating.
Not just like unidentified flying objects, like UFOs from another planet. Irene says she's a true believer.
There's some kind of life out there that for some reason they were coming by.
Sheila, however, is slightly worried.
I think it's a scary situation when you got things flying in the sky you can't explain.
Scary, but it was awesome too at the same time because you're like seeing something, you know, not knowing are you going to get zapped.
I still haven't figured it out.
A representative for Joint Base San Antonio says it wasn't any of their aircraft. In fact, they add, it most likely wasn't an aircraft at all.
If it was, that's cool, and if it wasn't, oh well.
Robert Price, News 4 San Antonio.
So what does the Air Force think these lights really are? Well, a strong possibility are these. They're called Chinese sky lanterns, basically small hot air balloons made of paper filled with tiny candles. The truth, though, is out there. Reporting live, Robert Price, News 4 San Antonio.